Okay.
2500.
Tower 160, reduce further 170.
Reduce 170, Tower 160.
Beauty 8 Alpha Echo, contact tower 118605, bye.
11865, bye, Beauty 8 Alpha Echo. Tower, goedemiddag, bonjour, Beauty 8 Alpha Echo, fully established, 25 left.
Beauty 8 Alpha Echo, goedemiddag, wind 040 degrees, 5 knots, 25 left, clear to land.
5 left, clear to land, Beauty 8 Alpha Echo.
Check.
Best approach altitude, 4000 feet, yeah.
Yep.
Check.
Ja, we gaan de reduce in flaps 15.
Ja.
Het is tailwind.
Tower, good evening, Tower 160.
Check.
Tower 160, hello, continue approach runway 25 left, your number 2, 8 miles behind preceding 737, wind check 040 degrees, 6 knots.
Continue approach 25 left, Tower 160.
En flaps 40.
1000.
Want dat checked.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist, engine starters.
Or continuous.
Speed brake.
Speed brake is armed.
Landing gear.
Landing gear down.
Flaps.
Is 40 green 9.
Check. Line check is completed. Runway ahead. .500 feet, land 3, stable.
Check. Okay.
500.
Disconnecting?
Yep.
No trust.
Check. Flight director.
Check.
Fifty, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brakes up. Reversers. Normal.
Check. Ja, det zag liefst komen. And manual braking.
Check. Auto brake disarm.
Thank you. Am I?
Beauty 8 Alpha Echo via Charlie 4, cross runway 01, Echo 3.
By Charlie 4, course 01 and Charlie 3, Beauty 8 Alpha Echo.
En Beauty 8 Alpha Echo en ground 121.880, tot de volgende.
11880, goedemiddag nog Beauty 8 Alpha Echo.
Ja, merci. Tower 160, wind 040 degrees, 5 knots, 25 left, clear to land.
Clear.
Ja, medium.
Ground hello Beauty 8 Alpha Echo, runway vacated and crossing 01.
Beauty 8 Alpha Echo, hello, continue inner 10 and hold on the beginning of inner 10, they are still clearing your stand of snow.
Inner 10 and holding short of inner 10, Beauty 8 Alpha Echo.
Van die inner, ja, ik kon niet meer stoppen. Nee.
Voor de stopbaar, maar waar
Ja,
cleared,
ja, ik weet het, maar ja, ze moeten dan uit doen, anders gewoon een volle mee.
Ja, inderdaad. Ja, ja runway
Check.
is cleared, hè. Voilà.
Oscar Victor Mike Fox, approaching road Foxtrot. Oscar Victor Mike Foxtrot, from Echo 5, cross runway 01, Foxtrot 3, nearby Yankee,
Yep.
Charlie 1, holding point, runway 25 left. From Echo 5, we cross runway...
Is het oké?
Het is niet op, hè. Je hebt hier ook niet zien, het is niet aan het sneeuwen, hè. Dus voor mij mogen ze op.
Runway 25 left, Oscar Victor Mike Fox. Ground center 119.
Ja, en er 10, dat is hier al in de 9, hè.
Stand by. With the 8 Alpha Echo, you can just start to make the turn on onto inner 10 to the
Just
left,
that,
so you're clear of the intersection. The vehicles that are working at the 354, they're clearing your stand, should be a few minutes.
Yeah, no worries, we'll make the turn then stop on inner 10, QT8 Alpha Echo.
3,
The which vehicle calling?
Zal ik je vragen wat de stand is? QT8 Alpha Echo, can you confirm our stand number please?
The 354, where you see all the vehicles working in front of you, that's the gate. They will let me know when it's finished and then I'll continue. I'll clear you further.
Perfect, thank you. 354, copy, QT8 Alpha Echo.
354 zie ik voorlopig niet. Ah jawel, oké, ja, het is
354 is
ja,
die
juist
Nederlandse
hier naar de
satelliet
strip, ja,
inderdaad.
oké.